Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNL Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in last video, I was working on rpool.html file. Okay, let me show you the work that I have done so far in last videos or in last session. Okay, in last video we have developed fully functionally our rpool.html file, but there was an error that at that time we didn't work on this carousel. Okay, so we will try to solve this error in this video. So moving to the tutorial rpool.html with the Sublime text editor. Okay, so here you can see there is a large number of codes. Okay, so this is our type section for this carousel effect that we have created here. So this is class called carousel to make the carousel effect, and slide to make the carousel sliding automatically. As you can see, it is automatically sliding left to right. So, and BG danger is a beta step class as same as slide in carousel, but the effect is it make the background of red color. And data ID is carousel. Here data is attribute of type tag and carousel is its value. Okay, so this means whatever we are using here, you need to use here. After that, there is a carousel indicator class that signifies this button. Okay, when you click on this, then the carousel will move from left to right, and these are the li tag, 3 li tag that we have used with the attribute data target and value hashtag demo. Okay, this id used to locate the type section in which we have used a different element. Okay, and data slide to 0 1 2, as you can see on the line number 453. This data slide to this is an attribute with the value 0. This means that when we click on carousel, okay, indicator, okay, then this slide shift to 0 and this one is 2. Okay, and this is active means when we load the page, then the first slide that would be visible to our screen is this. Okay, this represented by this hashtag demo type class. Okay, and this is carousel inner bootstrap class for making the container inside carousel. And this class carousel item is a specific class for making the specific item of the carousel. Okay, and all other class that we have used, container, row, p4, that these are existing classes that we have that we are using from the last session, from the several that, sorry for my pronunciation and tense. Yes, as you can see, this is the Bootstrap class for making the screen responsive, uh, as we are using several times in the last dive section. So these are not so special Bootstrap class to be discussed upon right now, and all others are explained by me. So this is it. Okay, one another class is carousel control previous, and href is hashtag demo and data slide to previous. This class is used for this previous button. Okay, and this class carousel, this class carousel control next, this class is used for this next button. So when we click on this, then we are redirected to hashtag demo dive class, and which is represented by this section. Okay, so this sheet for this section. I think the explanation is done over. Now let us come to style part to make that carousel visible properly. That is to make the alignment of this element at center. As you can see, this is at aligned at corner. So to make it, come to rpool.css file, and open in its inside Sublime Text Editor. Now let me check whether I have used some CSS classes to provide styling. No, I didn't use any CSS class. Okay, not a problem. Just do one thing, type here justify content center, and let me see whether it is working or not. Okay, justify content center we are using with the this class. Okay, this type tag that contains the row as a bootstrap class. Now save it. Okay, nothing is changed. Justify content center. Okay, do one thing, apply that also here. Justify content center, and let me check. No effect. I gotta delete all these codes. These are useless. It might work, but actually I am a little bit confused about this tag, this bootstrap class, so left it. We will come to know about that later. We will do some another way. Okay, Climax auto. As you can see, these are aligned some little bit right side, but still they are at a corner. Okay, for this type here justify content center, and let me check first whether it is working or not. No any effect, doesn't any effect. No, sorry, this code is not working. I think this code requires some special display. Okay, if we were using the flexbox instead of this row class, then we might able to use this justify content center class, because that in because flexbox represent a special type of display. Not a big deal. Delete it and come to starting. Use one class called carousel effect. Okay, save it and copy also and paste here, and use the attribute text line and value center and see the changes. Yes, now that's good. I think this code is required here. We are using justify content center, and that is useless. So copy this line of code and container, yes, paste here and here and save it. Yes, that's good, much better. Yes, that's over. So actually text line center is work for the div class. Okay, div tag, that is whatever the element is present inside the div tag, that will be aligned at center, no matter it is text, image or something else. Okay, and justify content center is a bootstrap class that are used with some specified display as flexbox. I think so, I am not also confirmed. Okay, this is card view used with a cordon, as you can see. So this is it for this rpool.html file. Now we will try to solve cancellation page. Okay, or try to develop cancellation page. So this is it for this video. Thank you. See you in next video.